Prime Minister Andrew Holness has taken a bold step by challenging the Integrity Commission's ability to investigate public officials for illicit enrichment. In a surprising move, he's asking the Supreme Court to strike down parts of the law that give the IC its power, claiming it's unfair and unconstitutional. Holness argues that the recent report from the IC, which looked into his financial dealings, was not only wrong, but also released with bad intentions. He believes the report, tabled in Parliament, was meant to embarrass him and damage his reputation. This challenge could have major consequences, as it might also affect investigations into the other politicians. Holness isn't just defending himself, he's fighting to protect his business and charity organizations as well. Now it's up to the courts to decide whether the IC overstepped its boundaries and if the law needs to be changed. This case could reshape how public officials are held accountable in Jamaica.
Sounds like he has something to hide.
It certainly raises eyebrows when a sitting prime minister takes legal action to challenge a law designed to investigate corruption among public officials. While Andrew Holness claims the Integrity Commission's IC report was intended to embarrass him and was done in bad faith, the move to have the law declared unconstitutional could easily make people wonder if there's more beneath the surface. Whenever a leader pushes back this strongly against an investigation, it often leads to speculation about whether there's something being hidden. Instead of addressing the report head-on and clearing his name through transparency, this legal battle could give the impression that Holness is trying to avoid scrutiny. Of course, he's entitled to defend his reputation, but fighting the IC in court opens the door for more questions and doubts about what the report might have revealed. In situations like this, actions can speak louder than words, and to some, this legal maneuvering might seem like he's not ready for the full light of accountability.
I wonder if he realizes that the general election is next year. Is he planning to win again while acting so suspiciously regarding the Integrity Commission, even though he has many party supporters defending his actions?
It's definitely a risky move for Andrew Holness to be challenging the Integrity Commission, IC, so aggressively, especially with a general election looming next year. Public perception is key, and when a leader appears to be fighting transparency, it can raise serious doubts, even among some of his supporters. While he may have loyal backers defending his actions, the broader public may see this legal battle as a sign of something to hide. Voters often value accountability, especially when it comes to the financial dealings of their leaders. By taking this to court instead of allowing the investigation to run its course, Holness could be walking a fine line between defending his reputation and damaging the trust of undecided or skeptical voters. In an election year, the optics of this situation could overshadow other achievements. Even if Holness has strong support now, the question remains, will that support hold if this legal issue continues to hang over him? Winning elections isn't just about keeping your base happy, it's about convincing the wider public that you're the right person for the job. Acting against the IC, especially when integrity is at the center of the discussion, may not sit well with everyone. If he's not careful, it could impact his chances next year. With so much at stake, will his supporters remain loyal, or will doubts about transparency sway voters? Thanks for watching.